Hey, if you're not really feeling the whole chatting thing and just want to dive into some Rocket League without any interruptions, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through turning off quick chat and text chat for some distraction-free gaming. Let's get started. First, open up Rocket League on your computer. Once the game loads up, click on Settings from the left side menu. Then switch to the Chat tab. From here, check the box next to Block Non-Tactical Quick Chat. This will hide all non-tactical chat during the gameplay. Next, click the box next to Quick Chat and select Allow Quick Chat with Nobody off from the drop-down list, and Quick Chat will be disabled for you. Next, click the box next to Match Chat and select Allow Text Chat with Nobody off from the drop-down menu. And Match Chat will be disabled as well. Lastly, click the box next to Party Chat and select Allow Party Text Chat with Nobody off, and Party Chat 2 will be disabled. So that's how you turn off Quick Chat and Text Chat in Rocket League from your PC. If the video was useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Hungry for Rocket League related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks a bunch for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.